Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a client that having this problem with this Chamberlain. This is a LiftMaster garage door opener, half horsepower. So I'm gonna do a test for you guys to check it out real quick. I'm gonna turn out the light. By the way, this is the controller panel for the garage Chamberlain. There's a lock button and then there's a light. So now I'm going to turn off the light. So if you have the same symptom like this, this one will allow you to open, but sometimes when you try to open it, the light flashes. So let's go ahead and close it and check it out. So yeah, when you try to close it, it gives you these flashes. That means either your sensor or those two eyes, the receiver and sender, are blocked or out of line. So we're gonna go ahead and then check it out real quick. So this is one of the sensor. This one has a amber light. So I'm not sure why the camera shows green, but let me try to zoom in real quick. So this one is working fine. If you have an amber or the red one, most likely those are the scent. So this one is the green one, the receiver, and somehow there's no light. And this one is the whisper drive. So you could try to open this cover by pinch those two at the black button right here. You need to push in. Let me turn on the light. This one right here. So you want to make sure there are no loose wire here, or loose connection, I mean. So I already checked it already, there's no loose connection. So I bought the sensor already, so I'm going to show you guys unboxing real quick. So yeah, right now I'm going to do an unboxing real quick. They're selling this brand new one for $19.99 or up to $24. Depends which seller you buy from. So I got this pair for almost $11 or $12 used one. So I'm going to unbox it and see. looks pretty new. So this is the one that I need. This is the green LED. And as you can see, this is like a amber. So I'm going to take out the green one. Let me untangle this. So when you install it, you gotta make sure which one is the white one, and then which one is the white and then black wire. So we need to straighten this out. So normally you're supposed to tangle this with the screwdriver or pencil or whatever. So since I don't have any, I'm gonna tangle this around my voltmeter tester. So yeah, this is kind of bad right here. Hopefully it's not short circuit. Now we're going to install it. Okay, I'm going to slide this in half. So it seems like this one has been painted before, so this is a black wire and this is a white. So this is a hard wire, okay? So the black one is the longest one. So let's go and then you want to make sure you turn off the power on your garage door opener. Okay, you don't want to short circuit anything. Alright, so I'm going to slice it. So we're going to use the all parts. Unscrew this. Take out the old screw from the sensor. And I got this wire cap. So black with black and then white with white. Alright, I'm going to turn on the power and see, connect back the wire and see if this light goes on. 82. So yeah, I had to replace both of the sensor. I guess they have pair up. So you gotta buy and then change both at the same time. You cannot just change one because I changed one. I only changed the receiver for the green one and somehow it's not working. So this one has a light, green light glowing right now. So if I block it, it's gonna go off. Alright, so I just need to cap those two and then those two wires and then that's it. Alright, so this is the moment of the truth. Let me turn out, no, I'll leave the lights on for now. So we're gonna push it right now. Alright, so everything is working 100% now. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.